Mm-hmm. I want to hear it good.
Butterball turkey from this angle.
Oh, he's so damn cute. See, I can't really see much of his face. All I see is a big black turd.